And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this smartwatch designed for extreme survival. Nothing really around the edges of the box, and the back just tells you about some of the main features. It has a rugged design, Bluetooth calling, multi-sport modes, heart rate, music control, breathe training, sleep monitoring, notifications, stopwatch. It is IP68 waterproof, it's multiple languages, works with iOS 9.0 or higher, or Android 5.0 or higher, and has a full touchscreen LCD. Inside you get your smartwatch, your watch strap, your charger, and your manual. So let's open this up for an unboxing to show you what all comes in here. Ooh, I like the box. The box has like texture to it. Here's our smartwatch. So it does include your straps, and it looks like those go on pretty easy, like a normal watch strap. Nice. Then here is the actual smartwatch. This is a sticker. We'll peel that on off. And you got a back button here, a power button, and that seems to be it, other than your magnetic charging spot here. And these are like your heart rate sensors. If I hold this power button, see if we get anything on the screen. Hey, look at that. Hello. There's the screen. Very nice. And then cardboard. The only other thing in here is a full user's guide. Wow. And then the little proprietary magnetic charger. So that's essentially it for the smartwatch unboxing. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. You would essentially download the app from these instructions, pair the watch with your Android or iPhone, and then you'd be able to get your notifications, reply to messages, stuff like that directly from your wrist. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.